Today is a quick tip regarding the new LightShow that is on the Tesla software version 11.0. Last week I talked about 2021.44.25 update, and this is included. See the link above for more info. Currently, the LightShow feature allows you to create and use your own light shows or download from the internet. Only one custom LightShow is allowed on a single flash drive that the car can read. You can have multiple directories of LightShows, but only one will play. Hopefully, Tesla will update this to allow a jukebox style selector, and then you could load a bunch of LightShow directories on a drive. In the meantime, if you want to do multiple shows, the easiest way is to purchase a few flash drives and load one LightShow on each one. The pack I purchased has a key shape and are very thin. This one happens to have black, blue, pink, gold, and green colors. It measures 1 inch wide by 2 1/4 inches long and 1/8 inch thick. It uses a half-height interface, as you can see here, when it fits into a standard USB socket. Here is a standard size key that you can see in comparison. It's about the same size. Next, I'll put the USB flash drive onto a key ring. I'll take all of the USB flash drives out of the package and also put them on the keychain. They fit easily on the keychain so they don't get lost like SD cards. They're waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, and also at $3.40 each is not too bad. There are cheaper flash drives, but I couldn't find any with a key design. The LightShow files are fairly small, under 50 megabytes, so you can get the smallest flash drives that you can find. Here's a standard SD card adapter, and in comparison to the 5 drives on the left. You can use a label and write the name of the LightShow on the flash drive itself to make it easier to find it. Now I'll connect it to my PC for the next step. I happen to have a USB extension cable right here. On my web browser, I have 2 different repositories of LightShows. I'll list them in the video description. The first one is teslalightshare.io. And you can sort the entries by date or alphabetical if you want. This one happens to be set up with thumbnails. And as you can see, there's quite a long list already, and new ones are arriving every day. The second one is teslalight.show. This one has the entries sorted by alphabetical order and in row form. And like the other one, you could switch it to thumbnails if you wish. So these repositories have quite a few entries, so check back often to see if your favorite song is listed. Once you find a song you want, click on the download section and a zip file will be downloaded. Once you have the file and unzip it into a directory, there are usually 2 files. One is the FSEQ file, which is the LightShow file, and the other is an audio file in the MP3 or WAV formats. Choose one and drag it to the blank USB flash drive. In my case, this is drive G. And now it will copy. Now click on the flash drive and it will have the directory in there. Rename it LightShow with a capital L and S, and then click inside that directory. Rename any files with LightShow and keep the same extensions. For the file names, it doesn't have to be a particular capital or lowercase character. Eject the drive from the PC. You can then take it and insert it into one of the front USB ports in your Tesla. I happen to have a USB hub in the front area, but it works just the same. Find one of the ports that is empty. Click on the Apps menu on the screen, which is the button with 3 dots, and then Toy Box. Then press LightShow. You will then see that it says Custom LightShow on the top, which means it read your flash drive. If you don't have a flash drive inserted, you will see LightShow at the top. But when you insert the flash drive, it exits back to the menu. Just click Start the Show, and you will see Custom LightShow Now. At this point, you can adjust the sound volume if you wish. When you get out of the car and close the door, the LightShow will begin. Touching the door handles or trunk will end the LightShow. If you wish to play a different LightShow, then remove the flash drive and insert a different one and follow the same steps I showed you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.